Hey everyone, this is Alvaro from Axion, and today we're talking about PBX phone systems. So what is a PBX? PBX stands for Private Branch Exchange. It's a telephone system used by businesses to manage internal and external calls. Think of it as the central hub that connects your company's phone lines, allowing seamless communication both within and outside your organization. A PBX system primarily does two things. It routes internal calls between employees, and it manages external calls to and from clients or suppliers. So for example, if you're working at a company with 20 people, a PBX allows you to call any colleague directly by dialing their extension, all without needing a separate phone line for each employee. Now let's break down the different types of PBX systems. Analog PBX. These systems have been around for literally 100 years. They use dedicated wired telephone lines and require a lot of bulky equipment. Historically, they were the only option for businesses, but now they've become outdated as more businesses are moving towards modern solutions. On-premise VoIP PBX. This system is also installed on site, but usually installed in a server room instead of a phone closet. Within your office phones, plug into the same type of Ethernet cables as computers, or they can even be connected via Wi-Fi. They connect to the outside world via analog or digital phone lines or SIP trunks. On-premise VoIP systems typically offer more features than analog PBX. They can be very expensive to buy or maintain. Now let's talk about hosted PBX, Cloud PBX. This system is hosted off-site by a third-party provider. The only equipment in your office are the actual phones. The provider is responsible for maintenance and upgrades, which means you have one less thing to worry about. Also, hosted PBXs include both the phone system features and phone lines. So you only have one point of contact instead of having separate hardware vendors and phone line providers like the other options. It's popular for its cost effectiveness, flexibility, security, and advanced features like CRM integration and SMS support. Now, I know all these options can be overwhelming, so if you're interested, contact our team at axioncommunications.com. We'll help you find the PBX system that best fits your needs at the most affordable price.